Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, we will learn about some date function. So let's start with today function itself. Just right here, today, click on tab and you will get today date. That is 2 of October 2030. So it means in daily basis, if you open this workbook tomorrow and click on the refresh button, you will get automatically tomorrow date means 3rd of October 23. So that is the today function. And apart from that, there are just some kind of dates out of which we cannot get to know exactly what is the day and month and a year it is. Like in 7519, we are do not exactly know 05 is a month or a day, and likewise in like is 12 we do not know what exactly it is. It is what is the day, month or year. So for that we have a day function, month function and year function. These function these functions extract the day from this date, month function extract the month from this date, and year function will extract the day year from this function. So let's write down the day function. Day, select the serial number means this one, this date, click enter. So 7 is the day in this date, and in next one, if I drag this down, you will get to know the date of all these. Like in this 12th is the day, 12 is the day, 15 is the day, 14 is the day. And likewise if I want to get to know the month out of this, just write down the month function and select the date, click enter. 5 is the month and just drag down it. Likewise for year, just write down year and select the serial number, click on enter. So in this way you can extract the day, month or year from a date. Apart from that, if you want to make a exact date out of day, month and year, like your day is written differently, month and year, so by using both in all threes, you want to, if you want to make a date, so you have to write a date function. Like here date, here select the year 2019, then month, then day. Okay, so this is the date. You can make date from the day, month and year with the help of date function. Drag this down like this. If you want to change the format of this one, just click on number format and select the date you like I like most this one. Click on OK. So this is the date. By I mean, it means you can make date in this way. Apart from that, if you want to get the number of days between two dates, likewise we need most of the time, like from our date of birth to the today date, how many days I have spent on this planet. And likewise you for that we have a year, month and day functions. uh, mm, by there is a one function that is date to diff functions. So by the use of this function we get to know how many years in between two dates, month and days. So for years, just write down dated functions, dated function, and select the first date, then second, and press enter. Okay, sorry. I have to also write a things that what I want out of with the help of this function, because I can use these functions for year, month, and days. So first of all, select the date difference between date 1 and date 2. And what I want, you look here a formula y. If I write y in the inverted comma, then difference in complete years will come, difference in complete month, difference in days likewise. So here I want difference in years, just write y in the inverted comma, close the parenthesis and click enter. So here you can see that 15 next 16 to 5 Jan 19 there is a complete 2 years. It is more than 2 years, but it's complete 2 years. About fractions we will get to know in the year frac formula. So just drag it down and we will get to know the difference in months, like here 16 January 98 to 16 February 2022, the difference in year is 24. Likewise we can apply this formula in month also. Just date diff, select the first date, then second date, and write m in the inverted comma and close the parenthesis bracket and press enter. So these are the months. So in the last one there is a 289 months, and likewise you can calculate the days also. Write the formula again, date, select first date, second date, and in inverted comma you can see here select the month, difference in no d, difference in days, d, close the bracket. Here is 873 days and drag it down. So you can say that if someone is born on 16 Jan 98 and after 16 Feb 2022, he or she was of a 8797 days, means 8797 days old. So sometimes these are the, you can say that here 28 19 to 39, these are the exact here these are the, you can say that difference in the whole month, days or years. Like it's not like that 2 years 28, 2 years 2 month or 10 days, it's not like that. It's completely difference in the difference in the in month over two dates, it's difference in the days over two dates, and it's in year. So here I, if I want to get to know that and what exactly it looks like if I want to write it 2 years 2 month and 10 days likewise. So for that I have to use these things in the our bracket. So just use the date function, select the first date, then second date. What I want to find out here, I want to find out a difference in the years. So it will be the same formula as was previously, like this one. Okay, because the difference in the year will be same. So here I will write y in the inverted comma and click just enter, press the enter, drag it down. It would be the same as previous one, but here comes the things what I want. Just type down that formula, date diff, and select the first date, then second date. And here what I want difference in the month ignoring the years. So difference in the difference in the month ignoring years, means first letter will be ignored and we will get to know about the difference in the month. So here in inverted comma I will write ym and press enter. So likewise it is a 2 year, it is a 2 year and 4 month. You can see here that August to Jan there is a difference between, there is a difference of 4 month and around 20 days. We will calculate that one also. So drag it down, and same we can do with days also. Date diff, select first date, then second date, and use this one, difference in days ignoring the years. No, we will use MD, difference in days ignoring the month. MD. Because if I will use this one, then days will go more than 30s, but we already calculated the month, so there is no need of calculating the days in with ignoring the months, like 200 days, 300 days. It will not look like good. So click enter. I selected the range here. Okay, I will correct this and click enter, drag it down. So here, if I want to get to know the difference between this date and this date, 16 Jan 98 to 16 Feb 2022, it will take 24 years, 1 month and 0 days. But if I will go with this one, this and this one, 2 years, 4 month and 21 days. But if I want to calculate the day and difference in date in fractions, like 2.5 years, 2.6 year, 2.7 years, only in years. So for that we have a year frac formula. Just write it down. Year frac. Select the start date, select the end date and press enter. And how many points you want after decimal, just select from here. I just want to, so this is the year frac formula. So in this way you can calculate day difference in dates by different by using the different functions of different types. And the next come the edate or eo month function. What is the use of it? Like I want a date, sometimes I want a date 2 month ahead of today date or 6 month, like that. So for that we have a function edate functions. And what is the difference between edate and eo month? So edate will give exact 2 month ahead of the selected date. Like if I select here 15 August, then it will reflect 15 October. But in EO month it will select the last day of the month. Like here, if it will select the 31st October, it will go to 31st October likewise. Okay. Just use this formula edate, select the date, and how many month ahead you want, only just 2 months. Just select this one and click enter. uh, I will change the date format. It says Sunday, October 15, 23. Column is so small, so I will expand this. Okay, just drag it down and then we will change the date format here, from here, and date I will use this one. Okay, so these are the like 15 August 23. It had e date function added 2 months in it, and 15 October 23. In 20 December 21, e date added exact 52 weeks. Exact means 1 year. Though it become 20th April 2026, and here I subtracted the my 42 year 42 months minus 42. Here you can't add years like 3 year 4 year. If you want to add like you can say that 4 years in a date, 4 years exactly. Then you have to add 12 months in a year, and 12 48 months you have to write here 48 month, and then you can add a 4 years in it. Like here I added a 4 year and 4 month. I will change it 48. It is a dynamic function. 20 December 25, it exactly added the 4 year in it. So apart from that, here I added nothing, so it will reflect the same date. And for EO month functions, if I want the last date of the, after adding I want last date of that month, just write EO month function, select the date, select the time period, and just hit enter. So it's like 15 October, it became 31st October, and drag it down. It is 31st December, 31st May, 31 Jan. Like if I enter here 1 month, it will become September, 30 September likewise. So it is a most beautiful and useful functions which we can use in our daily task and in our for our business purpose also. So hope you understand these functions. Thanks for watching this video.